Hey there! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of activating the exclusive promo code ROOCODE1 on the ROO website. This code is your ticket to unlocking premium benefits, incredible rewards, and enhancing your overall experience. First, head over to the website and complete the registration process. Next, click on the code button. Enter the code ROOCODE1 and hit Play Now. By using this code, you'll gain instant cashback, daily, weekly, and monthly rewards, elevating your journey to new heights. Level up your rewards with higher tiers and bigger bonuses, maximizing your chances with daily, weekly, and monthly raffles. Plus, enjoy extra perks and a welcome bonus to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out. Enter the code ROOCODE1 now and boost your experience. Good luck!